Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy and welcome to this video and welcome to my channel. So as you can see from the title, what we're doing today is slime simulator time. We're gonna make some super ASMR, and if you're one of those people who goes their Instagram feed and it's full of those slime, picking and doing these voices, those amazing voices, and you don't even know how do they satisfy you, right? But now you have an option to make it yourself. This app is a great app for beginner slimers to advanced slimers. It is also good for people who love ASMR sounds, count me in. The app works like a real real slime that you make it from real ingredients such as clay, glue, borax, and much more. And of course, Charms for Slime is safe for boys and girls, and for me. So what we're gonna do now, as you can see, I have downloaded my app. I'm gonna go click this button. I'm so nervous. Oh, we have okay. So what we can create our slime from here. Let's go and choose slime type: mushy, milky, sludge, oily, mucky, water, sticky, putty, gel, rainbow. As you can see, they're locked right now. You can also open them, but I'm gonna go with sludge. Let's go sludge. Now we're gonna mix it. Oh, now we're gonna add some color. I wanna add pink. Let's mix the color. It became, and actually for parents, if you guys are watching, if you're tired of your kids making everywhere slime, you can just give them this also free. And what decoration we want, let's add some lovely animals. Ooh, let's go and mix them well. Oh, where are you guys? Let's pick a name. What should we write our name? First one. Continuing. Save and play. Let's play with our slime. And do you see this effect? It's almost like, man, I'm impressed. I really am right now. So let's go home right now to our, yes, let's assume that you don't want to create a slime, but you want some of that ASMR noise, right? And let's go with this. I like that. And even the coming back, you see? Of course, if you turn it off, you will not get that voice. You see, it's amazing. If I would have kids and they would be crying about, oh, I want to do slime, I would just give this one. Not because of I would want my kid to be on the phone 24/7, because this is amazing. It feels amazing, at least for me. But to keep my house a bit, tidier. That's why. So I would love to do another one and another app right here. Yeah, there's a lot of apps actually. Didn't like that one, to be honest. Please. And I thought this was the way to out. I didn't like that. So now I want to go with milky. Oh. Do you hear the difference? Hold up, give me a minute. I wanna add black. I like that. It became very black. None. I don't want it to be. I want to go with soul. Yes, this is how my soul is. Milky and black. And now we can just play with it as long as we want. Oh my god. I think you guys have to give it a try. And I even feel like the slime in my fingers. I swear to God. It's like my hand is in a bowl full of slime. That's a great way to meditate, maybe. For me at least. And the more we play, the more money we earn. Oops. I just love this app, and I'm pretty sure you and your kids will love it too. So let's see what's here. And we have some other activities such as guess the slime or painter. I want to go with guess the slime right now. So guess the color. I think it would be pink. And last play. Yes, my guess was correct. But you don't have any clue what it could be. To be honest, I don't know. Later. I would love to see more. Let's go with the painter, and I want to see what is it. Oh, another one. Really? I want to go with, and a little bit of purple and a little bit of blue. Oh, the blue looks good. And make it black. And a little bit of this. This is how my 5-year-old cousin would make this thing. And I want to act like a 5-year-old right now, so. Let's click here. This is, we can share our image, like we do something very nice. Or we can save it to gallery. It's in our hands. I just want to close this. I think, I don't know if I would play this one one more time, even with the marshy. I don't want to try. Let me just see. Yeah, there's some sound effects or, changing. But okay, I mean, now it's enough for me. It was enough. So I think this might be a very good app for your kids if they're not really interested in the graphics or something, because I don't know, it was a bit under. It was just not what I expected. Let me put it that way. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, you can ask me on the comments, or any suggestions if you have, you can let me know in the comments too. And I think it's a good app to just have for your cousins that come for sleepovers, or just for visiting, because they're gonna go through your gallery. Otherwise, if you have kids, go just download this if you ask me. And see you guys in my next video. But for you to be able to know that I have another video, what you should do, you should go and hit that subscription button and subscribe to my channel. Also, like this video and if you found it helpful, but I'm sure you did, because now you don't have to give up your phone just like that, or let your kids just making a big mess around. So see you guys in my next video.